was we were in the Camaro for the first time since I've done all the mods to it. All the mods being just the poly mounts and then the new shifter. So it's really just still stock motor and exhaust and everything minus the muffler. Because the muffler's gone, but I also changed the transmission fluid, so there's that. I don't know how much I'm going to talk during this drive because I kind of am like listening for like sounds on things that I need to fix. That sounded weird. Oil pressure's obviously still good. And gas, that sucks. Temperature's not up there yet, but obviously I'm not beating on it, so there's a little bit of sound when I take off that's kind of worrying me. I don't know if that's like excess clutch noise or if transmission's making a noise. I changed the transmission fluid and it took away a lot of the sound I was hearing through the shifter, which I also actually screwed down the shifter boot, so that could have been that too. Everything I'm hearing though, it sounds like it's in the back. So I wonder if it's like a rear end or drive shaft making noise. Maybe my rear end needs diff fluid changed or something. You hear that? It almost sounds like a clutch, but like I don't know what it would be. It feels alright. It just, you can hear it. Could be exhaust shaking, I guess, but I don't think so. Could be exhaust hitting floor pan, maybe. But with the poly motor mounts, it shouldn't. I don't know, maybe I'm just feeling excess vibrations because of the poly transmission mount. It's possible. It's only when I take off. There's definitely some sort of vibration there. That's bugging the shit out of me. There's like nobody on the road right now because of the whole coronavirus thing. It's kind of nice, but it also makes me stand out a little bit more, so I gotta kind of be careful. Cops and stuff. Heading to meet the girlfriend for lunch right now. Figured it'd be a good time to test the car out since I've done the mounts and everything. Oil pressure's sitting right around 55, 60 at 2,000 RPM, so I got good oil pressure. Temperature's up to operating temp now. Granted, I mean, some of that noise could be the fact that the carpet was ripped out of here, so maybe I'm just hearing excess noise. The vibration, I don't think so though. I think that's something that I'm actually feeling. Only when I take off though. It could be because it's got an aggressive clutch in it, but I don't know. It almost feels like the flywheel wasn't resurfaced or something. I might put a new clutch in it and just see. I don't know what it would make it shake like that. It's almost like it almost feels like the clutch is kind of like gripping and letting off, except it's like so weird. The car's taking off smooth, but it's got that vibration feeling. I don't know how to explain it. It's like it's engaging smooth, but it feels like feels like what a bent drive shaft would feel like if you were trying to take off with it. Or like an unbalanced drive shaft. That's what it feels like. Only taking off though, because like I'm driving right now and it's nice and smooth. Yeah, I'm doing 55 and 5th. 1800 RPM, 1750 RPMs, maybe 1700. Everything's smooth. You can hear a little bit of like drivetrain noise back there, but again, I think that's because that's where the carpet's ripped out. There's no like noise canceling stuff. Other than that though, everything's working good. Short throw shifters, feels nice. The transmission doesn't move when I hit the throttle anymore because the motor mounts. It was really bad when I got it, man. I was driving home and it was like every time I'd take off, the actual shifter would shake. And then when I had it in neutral and I'd hit the gas, the whole shifter would actually like move over and then come back when I let off. So it was definitely like motor mounts needed done. I changed those out and then I hit the gas before I even did the transmission mount, and it just stayed right where it was at. No more vibration or no more shaking and no more like moving when I hit the throttle. So you couldn't really see the motor move from the front when I hit the throttle, but it definitely was because the whole transmission was moving. Yeah, there's some sort of vibration there. You're really gonna speed up as I put my signal on. I fucking hate people. Again, everything sounds good, other than when I take off, which really makes me think it's clutch. I'm rambling on a lot about this problem, but that's because it's like confusing me. Okay, so this is like this on my 5th gen too. Chevy has this issue, right, where they keep putting their cup holders right behind the stick shift where my arm goes. My 5th gen has the same cup holder there. My 4th gen has the cup holder there. And it is such a pain to shift around. So I have to literally put my drinks in the back, which aren't as good cup holders. So it's probably gonna fall. And I can't put it in the front one because that one has like a hollow bottom. Oh no, it doesn't. Hang on. Okay, so maybe the front one will work. Dope. So yeah, that's the end of this video today. Car runs good. Drives iffy, but runs good. So next video you'll probably see on this, if I'm not driving it, will be probably ECM install, which will be at least a couple weeks. I don't know, I might drive it since then. Well, unless I do a clutch. If I ended up replacing the clutch, we'll do a test drive and see if it drives nice after that. I might check the diff fluid on it and make sure that it's all good, but yep, that's it for today. So I'll see you guys next video, and then we'll see what we can do about this one. See ya.